I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Jumpin jars, mason jar cups for kids. So these are really awesome. This is honestly one of my favorite kid products. And what I love about it, it's a mason jar, like a glass mason jar, and people love drinking out of these. But obviously, you wouldn't just necessarily hand your kid a glass container like that. So this is basically a mason jar, and it has this silicone wrapper around it that makes it really secure and allows them to use it as a drinking cup. And so you get a lot of the benefits of glass, like it holds heat and cold really well, it's easy to clean, and you're not having a lot of plastic contact with whatever they're eating or whatever they're drinking out of this. But at the same time, it's something that's really protected by the silicone liner on the outside, and something where it's almost like a sippy cup. If they knock it over, it's not just like an open mason jar. This actually does a really good job of protecting from spills. So it's just a really fun product, and it comes in a variety of different kind of bright kid-friendly colors. The silicone wrapper on the side has a really nice feel. It's easy for them to grip. It's not like a solid plastic, and it kind of sticks to the side of the mason jar. You can put the whole thing into the dishwasher to wash it too. And it does have this silicone lid and then also a silicone straw. It's really flexible, but even if they're chewing on it, it doesn't get kind of messed up. It's a very solid material, and that goes straight down into whatever liquid is in here. So it's also got kind of a nice weight and feel to it. It's not like a plastic sippy cup where they're going to easily just knock this over. It definitely, because it's glass, does have that kind of solidness to it. But if you knock it over, even on a hard surface like this, roll it around, anything, it's definitely not going to break. It's really well cushioned, really well protected by that silicone liner. So I think it's just a great kind of product. It's much more interesting to them, I think, than a basic sippy cup. It's much easier to clean. It just looks more attractive. And you have all the advantages of glass, but you also have the advantages of it being really very durable and hard for them to spill, hard for them to break as well.